Today, we'll show you how to safely transfer a patient from a wheelchair using the Achairgo Patient Lift. Start by leaning the patient forward slightly and positioning the sling behind their back. Carefully guide the leg straps under the thighs and cross them for maximum security. Adjustable base allows for easy maneuvering through different spaces. Remember to lock the wheelchair brakes and keep the lift base stable. Ensure the sling hooks are securely attached to the spreader bar before lifting. Gently lift the patient using the remote control. Communication is key. Keep the patient informed. Open the base to navigate around the wheelchair and close it when passing through narrow doorways. The powerful motor provides a smooth, quiet lift to ensure the patient's comfort and dignity. Achairgo, making caregiving easier and safer every day. For more information or to request a demo, visit our website at achairgo.com or contact your local distributor.